missed the big kingy just then. Literally came all the way up to the kayak. Yep. Yep. It's a fucking big one. Am I recording? Fuck yes. Okay. Fuck, that's a big one. Fucking hell. No, I can't let you go. Nope. No. There was a fuck. Oh shit. Can't get reefed. Can't get reefed. I have to fucking get the line in. Shit. Fuck. Oh, come on, man. Please don't reef me. Oh no. Fuck. Okay. That's 3 meters. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Okay. I have to get this in. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. 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 Nah, fuck it, please don't reef me. I have to get the line in. I have to. You can't. Please don't reef me. Please don't reef me. Oh, fuck. No. No. Okay. I think I got you off the bottom now. Am I recording? This is definitely a big bugger. Probably something like a funnel our size. Oh shit. I'm getting cramped. Oh no. 힘들어. This is a fucking. Imagine this was a comp. Would have been fucking awesome. But that's okay. I have to get the line in. Fuck, I'm literally just leaning backwards and try to get this out of the fucking reef. Yep. Okay. Yes. Definitely a fucking big burger. I don't know how big, but you're big. This is literally the hardest fight I've ever done with a friggin' kingy. Let's make sure it's Green's clean. Please don't reef me. Oh, fuck. Okay. I might loosen the drag a bit because I don't want to pull the friggin' hook, right? But fuck, I'm talking to myself. I think it's quite safe now, as long as there's no sharks or fucking... Oh shit, it's pulling again. See, I'm definitely not bleeding you because I gotta weigh this bloody fish. See the color? No, not yet. That's okay. Oh shit. Oh fuck, this is exhausting, man. I see a collar? No, not yet. It's definitely a decent kingfish. Oh my god, this is so tiring. Oh fuck. Hopefully I don't get sharked or... Okay, so you're still pulling back. Pretty sure you're pretty tired too. Okay, see color. Oh no! Oh my god, are you serious? Okay, let's redo this. It's about 10 meters below me. Just seen the kayak. That's why it's done a big run just then. Let's get this in. I'm not gonna open the hatch until fish is next to me, because who knows what's gonna happen, right? I don't want to get flipped or fucking... I don't have to... Oh my god. Fucking hell. This is a fucking huge bugger. I'll get my gaff ready in case I have to really gaff it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so big. Now, how am I gonna get the fucking fish in? It's gonna be a trouble landing this one. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Fuck. This is quite... I really don't know how I'm gonna land this one. I really don't. I just have to wait until it gets tired or something. I wish I had Miles next to me. I must be getting tired now. Oh yeah, it's getting tired. No, it's not. Oh fuck. Okay. I can do this all day. If you can do this all day, I can do this all day long. All day long. Let's just not really lose this. That's my biggest worry right now. I'm gonna have to chuck you in the hatch. Alright, okay. Like I said, I can do this all day. Just want to make sure. I'm gonna gaff this because I'm a bit worried I might drop this on the No. Okay. Got you. Fit this guy in the bloody hatch. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck, I can't even. The bloody hatch. Oh my god, almost fucking impaled me. Oh my god. Oh fucking hell. Almost fucking gave myself. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Fuck, I can't even lift it. Oh fuck, I can't lift this. It's too heavy. You see this? Kingy? I can't lift this, too heavy. Literally too oh, no, I can't lift this.